Law number 11. Learn to keep others dependent on you. Party Next Door is an artist signed to Drake's OVO sound imprint. He's been releasing music since 2006, but signed as the first artist on OVO in 2013 and released his first mixtape in July 2013, featuring the song Over Here with Drake. In July 2014, he released his debut album, Party Next Door 2, which featured the song Recognized with Drake that also went platinum in 2016. In 2016, Party Next Door released the album called Party Next Door 3, which featured Party's most successful single, Come and See Me, that also features Drake. This single has also gone gold. Party Next Door has written some of the most successful songs in hip-hop and R&B, like Wild Thoughts with Rihanna, Sex With Me with Rihanna, and Work with Rihanna and Drake. But a lot of the opportunities generated was as a result of Party Next Door being affiliated with Drake and OVO Sound. Party Next Door has never had a certified platinum or gold single without Drake featured on the song or credited as a songwriter. He's been featured on songs with Drake like Preach, Since Way Back, and With You that have all charted on the Billboard. Drake used this law very successfully with Party Next Door. Party Next Door shines as a songwriter, but his intentions is to be an artist. Drake provides Party with the platform in order to realize his dreams, but Drake taps into Party for his hit-making abilities. Most of the artists around Drake that signed to OVO Sound, like Majid Jordan, relies on Drake and he knows that. Majid Jordan wrote Please Hold On with Going Home, but they need Drake to release their music on OVO Sound and also to help them promote it. Summary and reversal. Always keep others dependent on you. As Drake becomes more successful, then the team around him is even more important. He must keep the producers and songwriters around him dependent on him, because if he don't, then other rappers and other R&B artists will take the songwriters and producers he have around him and duplicate his methods. It's very important in the music business to keep others dependent on you, because anyone can take your producer and songwriter and create the same success that you're making. You also don't want people leaking your secrets and your workflow to your competition. Make sure you keep others dependent on you, and your music career will be much easier. Make sure to tune in next week Monday at 12 p.m. noon Eastern Time for another video on the laws of power.